In today's video, I will walk you through how to create dispersion effect in Photoshop. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Once your image is ready, head over to the Layers panel and select your image layer. With that layer selected, go up to the Select menu at the top of Photoshop and choose Subject. Photoshop will automatically detect the main subject in the image and create a selection around it. After the selection appears, press Ctrl and J on your keyboard. This will duplicate the selected subject onto a new layer. You should now have the subject separated from the original image. Next, go back to the original image layer and hide it by clicking the eye icon beside the layer. This leaves only the duplicated subject layer visible on the screen, which makes it easier to apply the effect cleanly. Now go to the Filter menu and choose Liquify. This opens the Liquify workspace where you can slightly distort the subject to help create the dispersion look. Apply the distortion carefully and shape the edges in a way that fits the effect you want. Once you are happy with the result, click Apply and then press Enter to confirm the changes and return to the main workspace. After that, hold the Alt key on your keyboard and create a layer mask on the duplicated layer. This adds a black layer mask to the layer, which will hide the entire layer until you paint parts of it back in. Now switch to the brush tool. Use the brush shown for the effect and adjust the brush size depending on the area you want to reveal. Before you begin painting, make sure your foreground color is set to white. This is important because painting with white on the layer mask will reveal the effect. Start brushing over the areas where you want the dispersion effect to appear. As you paint, parts of the distorted subject will gradually become visible. Continue brushing through different sections until the effect looks the way you want. You can adjust the brush size while working to get more control in smaller or larger areas of the image. Keep applying the brush until the dispersion effect feels balanced and complete. And that's it. Your dispersion effect is now complete. Thanks for watching.